Well guys, we finally did it. Torchlight Energy is no more. We are now trading under ticker symbol MMAT, Meta Materials. When we first started speaking about these in January time, following the merger news in December, this was the moment we were buying in for. Okay, this is what we were waiting for. Meta Materials looks to be a great company to hold for the long term. Torchlight was just an oil and gas asset company, going to be selling their assets. But yeah, we bought into this because we wanted a dividend. And we wanted the merger, we wanted to get in this one before the hype, and that is exactly what we've done, okay? Thought outside the box, got in this one nice and early, and we're now sitting on some very nice gains, okay? Will these gains continue or not? Time will tell. However, what we wanted, the merger, has happened. And we've got good news all around as well. I must address the elephant in the room here, Trading 212. Trading 212 is the brokerage that I use, and originally, they have been telling us that they are going to be closing our positions, okay? We've seen it left and right. Everybody has been asking them, and every time they have been saying they're going to be closing our positions. I even made a video on their replies. It's a lot of speculation, okay? We didn't know exactly what's going to go on with Trading 212 because they haven't been giving us the most forefront information. We thought we were going to get the dividend from them, and we thought our positions would get closed. But it was to my surprise, I woke up this morning and Trading 212 has my MMAT position. My Torchlight is there, converted over to MMAT, okay? It's a great day for shareholders in this company. Trading 212 have come through from us as well. This is great news, okay? So if you're wondering what has happened, that is what's happened. If you did sell following the Trading 212 rumours, etc., that they were going to be closing our positions, thanks to all their staff telling us that, then unfortunately, you know, hopefully you took some gains, but at least now you can buy back in as MMAT if you so wish. Regarding the dividend, because I know a lot of people are asking about this one in the comments, what is going on with the dividend, okay? Well, if you haven't already received this in your brokerage, don't fear, okay? Sometimes it takes a few days to go onto your brokerage. So stop panicking that it wasn't there on the 25th, okay? Hopefully you will get it on there in the next day or two. But yeah, patience is key. And remember, they have yet to sell that oil and gas asset, so there will not currently be a price to that dividend. It's just there so that when they do sell it, you're going to get a nice number. Hopefully we're going to see a big old number on there as well. Time will tell. Once again, it is a lot of speculation, but it's great to see the share price from MMAT finally listed on the Nasdaq. And we go in right here to the Torchlight Energy's page. Sincere thanks to all Torch shareholders. Quite the journey. I leave you in good hands, and we will continue to work for the ONG assets, the oil and gas assets, like I just mentioned. George Pallikaris will guide the rest of the journey for Meta Materials. Okay, we've been following George Pallikaris for some time now, but things are looking very, very great. We finally got this merger happen. Meta Materials have been posting about it as well. Meta Materials put today marks a new beginning. Meta closes merger and is about to start trading on the Nasdaq, the world's premier exchange for technology companies, under the ticker symbol MMAT, and this becomes the world's first Meta Materials tech company to do so. Now, if you saw this share price, there was lots of talk about what this could have been. We did tell you what would be happening with this one. A reverse split for Torchlight, okay? It's going to take Torchlight's share price, but double it. Reverse split, double the share price, half your amount of shares. It does equate to the same amount. And with a reverse split, we tend to get a bad reaction from that. We'll see exactly how today ends up at the end of market close today. But yeah, that's why the price looks a lot higher, because it has doubled, but you will see your shares will be less, okay? Half the amount. But over time, let's see what's going to happen with this one. Meta Materials is doing lots of great things. We can now start properly talking about Meta Materials, okay, going forward. We have mentioned about them in previous videos quite some time ago, but a lot of the hype was, of course, around Torchlight. But yeah, you can see right here, 160 million in cash and debt-free. That right there is a massive amount on their balance sheet with no debt as well, okay, and big partners. This is just a list of some of those big partners, okay. It says here, 10 billion market cap soon. Institutions will buy in heavy. When it gets listed on the Nasdaq, Meta's revenue by 2030 is estimated to be 10+ billion. We can now start talking about Meta Materials. I do believe this is a good long-term hold. If you want to sell out and take some profits, that is entirely up to you. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research when investing into a company. But yeah, it's a great day to be investing into this. 212 have come through from us. What am I going to be doing? I think I'll probably leave my position to right. The only reason I was going to be selling was because I was going to be forced to sell. But now it looks like that isn't necessarily what's going to have to happen. My average price is around the $1 mark. I don't think we're going to get back down to there. They have done a reverse split to make sure that if this price does sell off, like we tend to see after mergers, etc., that our price will stay above that $1 Nasdaq listing. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, it's a big week. We still have all these rumors about a short squeeze as well. We must quickly touch on the short squeeze and all the rumors about it. There was this post here actually from this Meta Materials news, which used to be Torchlight. They've now changed, of course, to Meta Material news. Shorts are forced to buy back shares when the market opens. Those short shares have to be bought under new ticker Mmat. That's 150 million worth of shares at open. We will see. Time will tell if there will be a short squeeze or not. This could just be complete speculation. It might not happen, or it may happen. Let's wait and see. But remember to do your own research. If you want to hold this one, okay, it looks to be a good company going forward. The dividend is still to come. Don't worry about that now, okay? You're going to get the dividend regardless. Either you sell out of this or if you hold, you'll be getting a dividend. We don't know when that's going to happen. Hopefully they will get this in the next few months or the next few weeks, etc. around some news. But this could take a while. They want to sell their assets at the best price possible, and they're going to divvy it up amongst shareholders. And we're going to get a nice portion estimated to between $1 to $20. Let me know your thoughts on all of that down in the comments below, and let's see what this week has in store for this brand new merger. We can expect some volatility for sure at the moment in time. However, I'm sure over time this will stabilize, okay, and end up being a very, very good growth stock to hold. But yeah, all your updates are around Torchlight Meta. We finally got to the big moment just today, the listing that we all wanted. Thanks so much for watching, and if you can smash the like and subscribe to my channel, that really is appreciated. We do have a free Discord as well. We've been giving you all these updates as well, including a Torchlight channel, which I can now change the ticker symbol to MMAT. Thanks for watching, and until next time.